Okay, here's how to make a seamless pattern in Illustrator. First, I'm going to lay out my design. Any artwork that sits outside your artboard, you need to copy it, paste it in place, and then go to Transform and move it to the same position on the opposite side of your artboard. My artboard is 5 by 5 centimeters, so I'm adjusting my X value. Do the same thing for any artwork on the opposite side. Just add or subtract from the X or Y value. Next, create a square the exact size of your artboard. Align it to the center. Then, with the selection tool, highlight everything, and press Ctrl and 7 to create a clipping mask. Now, when I line up the squares, they create a seamless pattern. Go into wireframe mode by pressing Ctrl and Y. You can still see the artwork sitting outside the artboard. If I created a pattern with this clipping mask, Illustrator would still include the artwork outside the mask. Open Pathfinder and select Crop. Press Ctrl and Y again to exit wireframe mode. Now you can see that anything outside the clipping mask has been cropped. Next, drag your artwork into the swatches panel. Select the new swatch, grab the rectangle tool, and you'll see the pattern you just created. You can also adjust the size of the pattern. Right-click, go to Transform, choose Scale. Turn off Transform Objects. Select Uniform, and scale the pattern to whatever size you want. And that's how you can easily create a seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator.